Face Moisturizer. This homemade face moisturizer is made with aloe vera gel, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, almond oil and essential oils, all of which are incredibly good for your skin's health. Both aloe vera and coconut oil boast of natural moisturizing, hydrating and healing properties that help eliminate harmful pathogens from the skin. Shea butter is called a superfood for the skin, due to its constituents like unsaturated fats, essential fatty acids, vitamins E and D, and provitamins. Due to the presence of multiple vitamins, A, B, D and D, proteins, essential minerals, fats and antioxidants, almond oil and vitamin E oil are exceptionally good for wrinkles, acne, scars and fine lines. Things you will need. Things you'll need for skin care with aloe vera face moisturizer. Aloe vera gel, lightens skin color, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Almond oil, removes wrinkles and fine lines, 1 tablespoon. Coconut oil, natural moisturizer, 1 tablespoon. Shea butter, contains vitamins and minerals, ½ tablespoon. Essential oil of your choice, adds fragrance and nourishment, 2 or 3 drops. Vitamin E oil, moisturizing properties, 2 or 3 drops or half capsule. Step 1. Put aloe vera gel and shea butter in a bowl. Combine aloe vera and shea butter. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl. Add ½ tablespoon of shea butter to the aloe vera gel. Step 2. Blend in the oils. Blend in oils. Pour 1 tablespoon each of coconut and almond oils into the mixture. Puncture a vitamin E capsule and squirt 2 or 3 drops of the oil into the mixture. Finish with 2 or 3 drops of your preferred essential oil. Step 3. Whisk the ingredients, store and use the moisturizer nightly. Whisk the ingredients. Whisk the mixture until the ingredients thoroughly incorporate into each other. Pour the moisturizer into a container of your choice. Apply this DIY aloe vera moisturizer each night before going to bed for softer, healthier and glowing skin.